Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to replace the trigger of your active shotgun. You will need three tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a mallet, a straight pick tool. Let's get started. To replace your gun trigger, perform the following steps. Step 1. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 7 screws from the gun casing. Keep these screws in a safe place. Step 2. Working your way around the edge, gently pry apart the shells of the gun housing. Step 3. Remove the pin sticking out from the trigger. Then, remove the metal gun assembly from the housing. Do this slowly, allowing the trigger ball bearings and spring to fall into the housing. Remove these and keep them safe with your screws. Step 4. Rest the metal gun assembly on your screwdriver. Step 5. Using your mallet and pick tool, tap the trigger pin out of the gun connection. Once it's part of the way through, you may lift up the gun assembly to finish removing it. Step 6. Take your new trigger and line it up with the gun connection. Ensure the trigger is facing the correct direction, with the yellow safety facing away from the fun outlet. Using your mallet, tap the trigger pin into place. Once the pin is partway in, you may lift up the gun assembly to finish installing it. Step 7. Return the gun assembly to its place in the housing. Step 8. Place one of the ball bearings, then the spring, then the other ball bearing, into their hole in their trigger. Then, put first pin, removed back in its place. Step 9. Reseal the gun housing with the Phillips screws. You have successfully changed the trigger on your active shotgun. If you have any questions, reach out to customer support at support@activeproducts.com.